When you finally catch the thief who stole your fish and realize it is just the neighbor cat looking for a snack. Trying to achieve that perfect winged eyeliner is impossible when your cat decides it is playtime now. When your hyper friend tries to start drama but you are literally just existing in peace. Mom finally found her new favorite child and the ginger cats are absolutely here for it. Sorry siblings, but these tiny paws clearly win every single time. Meet Cheeto and White Gemoy, the fluffiest duo currently dominating my floor and my heart. One looks like toasted marshmallow, the other like fresh snow, but both are professional experts at being incredibly adorable today.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is my cat. Ini kucingku, meow meow. Kucing lucu, kesayanganku. My cat, meow meow. So cute and chubby.
Kadang kita merasa jengkel ya ketika ada kucing yang buang kotoran sembarangan, tempat jadi kotor dan bau. Untuk mengatasinya, kalian semprotkan aja cat training spray. Ini efektif, bisa mencegah dan melatih kucing supaya tidak buang kotoran sembarangan. Cara penggunaannya cukup mudah, tinggal disemprotkan aja di tempat-tempat yang biasa dia buang kotoran, baik pada saat dia pup maupun pip, supaya dia tidak kembali buang kotoran di tempat yang sama. Dan ini bisa melatih kucing supaya tidak buang kotoran sembarangan. Cat training spray ini terbuat dari bahan alami sehingga aman buat kitten maupun kucing dewasa.
I thought having an orange cat meant constant cuddles and graceful movements, but clearly, I was mistaken. This tiny ginger menace decided that my leather shoe was actually a terrifying monster that needed to be neutralized immediately. Watch as he calculates a precision strike, only to get his own head stuck in the dark abyss of my footwear. It is a classic case of the predator becoming the very confused prey. I am honestly not sure if he is trying to hunt a mouse or if he just really enjoys the scent of my gym socks. Either way, his brain cell is working overtime today. Please send help and maybe some brand new shoes. I ordered a pocket-sized security guard online, but I think they forgot to send the rest of the dog. This tiny brown legend is currently 90% ears and 10% attitude, trapped in a yellow laundry basket like a very angry potato. He is staring into my soul with those big eyes, probably wondering when his growth spurt starts. Small in size but clearly the CEO of this entire house.
Keluar nak? Keluar kemana nak? Ke depan? Mau? Ke depan nak? Ayo. Get it, Chalbao. Get it, Chalbao.
The drama is absolutely riveting in this household tonight. This fluffy gray cat is completely obsessed with showering the dog with unconditional love, rubbing its face everywhere. Meanwhile, the big guy just lies there, staring directly into the camera with a look of pure, unadulterated existential dread. It is the classic roommate dynamic. One is entirely invested in the relationship while the other is just silently counting down the minutes until dinner time. This dog's eyes say everything you need to know about the situation. He is totally trapped but far too polite to say anything about it.
귀여워 정말 lovely baby 사랑해 정말 lovely baby 예쁜 눈
Well, this is our Sunday.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. I'm always feeling homesick.
Meet my new office manager who clearly thinks my mouse is a snack and my arm is a personal heating pad. I tried to explain that these deadlines are actually important, but he just gave me that judgmental stare and started chewing on the hardware. Productivity has officially left the building and has been replaced by aggressive purring and random keyboard shortcuts I didn't even know existed. If my emails look like total gibberish today, just know a tiny tiger is currently holding my workspace hostage for more head scratches and treats.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Gonna stay.
Love is in the air, or maybe they are just debating who gets the last treat first, because OC is definitely trying his best to impress Bame with that very intense staring contest.
I am finally home. Dad don't mind being gone on adventures for
When you dress up for the party but realize you are socially awkward.
best thing is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking
Oh,
down the
apa?
street so many times,
Apa kamu?
no
Hah?
every brick and
Gak boleh?
wear a blindfold.
Gak boleh?
No matter what I do,
Hmm?
I'm coming home to you.
Gak boleh? Gak boleh? Ya? Nih, ada Kinan. Gak boleh ikut kamu.
Always feeling homesick.
Kamu masuk di rumah. Gak boleh ikut keluar. Penting gak boleh ikut. Ya, gak boleh ikut ya.